Good afternoon, everybody. Minister for Education, the chair for Walesi and the board members for Walesi and the CEO, and of course, most importantly, the children who are here today, and of course, the parents also. This is the smallest school I've ever been to, and but despite it being the smallest school we've been to, we still want you to have the same facilities as the very large schools also. And so today we are launching the Walesi platform here. Through this Walesi platform, you get to watch all these TV stations in Fiji. It also has an educational channel. It has a parliamentary channel, which means that you can get access to all that information. Your teachers can get access to all that information. We've been to a number of other schools. We were just down in Navala, just down the road, and various other very remote schools yesterday too, where we are connecting them to the Walesi platform. And so please look after it. It's a good resource for you. Use it well with the teachers. And I'd like to also thank the school management committee. Please be assured that even though your school still may be very small, you'll still ensure that you get the same facilities as the larger schools. Because these children are just as important as any children in any school in Fiji. And for us, that is critically important to ensure that there's equality in the delivery of education throughout Fiji. So with those few words, teacher, thank you for having us, and wish you all the best. We also are at the moment working on a project in respect of giving internet connectivity to schools where there is no connectivity whatsoever. We've done that in Vanuatu, connected about 40 schools, including nursing stations, and we currently have a project where they're carrying out an assessment on which schools need to have internet connectivity where there's intermittent supply or no supply at all. And that should be coming your way soon also. Naka, and thank you. I wish everybody good afternoon. Naka, thank you.